Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see applications, experiment, case study, use case, proof of a concept, a project. This project is taken from the Upwork. This is none other than how to control a single axis, a solar panel by using the Arduino. This project we bid it. This is very exciting and interesting. By doing this project by step, you can put this project into the portfolio and showcase such a way that you can land in the embedded job. Without further delay, now let us jump into the project. So what are the resources that are required? So here is 70 by 70 solar panel. The second one will be the Arduino Uno R3. This is the Arduino Uno R3. The third one is the servo motor, is the LDR, two LDRs. Here you can see the 10K, two resistors. We need to take two of the 10K resistors. Here jumper wise, male to male, I have taken the thermocol and made into the boxes. This you can see a 15 by 13 centimeter. Second one you can see this is 4 centimeters. This is the 8 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Like that, I have taken two of them. These two I have taken as a 70 millimeter. This is the 70 millimeter. Two of them for holding the solar panel. I have made for supporting the two pillars. So these are the resources I have used in this project. Now let us see the connection wiring diagram. So this is the Uno R3. This is LDR1 and LDR2. Now the setup, how the setup looks like this. So we try to explain in a detail. So let us complete it. From the Uno R3 on my left hand side, you can see the 5 volts and ground, A0 and A1. On right hand side, you can see the pin number 9. In down, you can see the LDR1, which is connected one side as a ground. The other side with the 10K, it has been connected to the VCC, that is nothing but the 5 volts. In between the 10K and LDR1, we are tapping the signal. Similarly, LDR2, one side has been connected to the ground, the other side it has been connected to the 10K, and 10K is connected to the 5 volts. Between the LDR2 and 10K, we are tapping the signal. Now let us come back to here. So this is the 15 by 12. You can see it, this is the 15 by 12. Onto here, we made two pillars, that is nothing but the 4 centimeter width and height will be 8 centimeter. This is my towards the right hand side. Similarly, we had a left hand side which is nothing the 4 centimeters of width and height will be the 8 centimeter. So this is the now onto my right hand side. So we placed the servo motor in this direction. This wire it is coming from the top and here it is the servo motor. So which is sitting on here on this top it was sitting. Now let us complete the diagram to the servo motor. The first color of the pin is brown, which is nothing but the brown. Second one will be the red, VCC. Yellow one will be the signal. Now I am taking from pin number 9 and hand over into the signal. Now from 5 volts, you can see from 5 volts, okay, these two VCC and VCC I am giving connection, and from here, okay, I am giving to the from ground. You can see I am taking bit. Now bit I am giving to the ground. From A0, you can see it, I am giving to LDR1 tapping point. From A1, you can see it, LDR2 a tapping point. So this is the A1, this is the A0. LDR1 we are placing towards the east, LDR2 we are placing towards the west. So this is the a placement of onto my right hand side I am placing the servo motor. On my east I am placing the LDR1 and west I am placing the LDR2. So this is a connection diagram. The one very important point is if the light is falling under the LDR1, okay, where this voltage will come down. If the light is falling onto the LDR2, this voltage is come down. So the corresponding ADC count will go. Whichever will be the low, that direction it will try to move. So now we place this solar panel as a 90 degrees. If LDR1 towards the light it is coming, so from 90 degrees to 0 degrees it will try to grow. And to the LDR2 the light is coming 90 to 180 degrees it will try to grow. So default we are placing the solar panel as 90 degrees. Towards the LDR1 we are decreasing the angle. Towards the LDR2 we are increasing the angle, that is to the 180 degrees. So this is the understanding of this project.
Behind the screen, using the glue gun, we have created the setup. By using the soldering, we have connected the LDR1 and LDR2 as per the description. So if the lights falls on the LDR1, it will try to move from 90 degrees towards the 0. And if the lights falls on the LDR2, it will try to move from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. So this is the way this principle start to work. LDR1 and LDR2 values is measured by using the analog to digital. If any value is less, so in that direction the servo motor rotate. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. That will help a lot to grow the channel. Thank you very much.